tools that are freely available right now. And you know, building on top of that, this isn't. I'm not from Microsoft. I'm from one of the 200 or so companies that are building really cool things on top of these tools. And so when we found out that Kinect could do, you know, what a lot of devices we've been looking at, $2,000–3,000 couldn't do half of this. And so I can get this for 150 bucks at Best Buy, right? So it really allowed us to make something that we think is going to transform retail. So, for example, you know, with Kinect for Windows, you're going to be able to have one of these on your desktop, you know, a Kinect, and the next time you go shopping and you want to see how something looks on you, you know, you don't have to just trust a picture of the model. I mean, of course it looks good on that guy, he's a model, right? But how does it look on me? And I think the answer is pretty darn good. So I'm going to take a picture of that. Very cute. And then I can share this with my friends, and I can say, how does this outfit look? And they can say, well, that's something you should never ever buy. But you know, but outfit number 2 that you tried, that's a real winner. We should go out drinking tonight. You should wear that. So it's going to allow decision making for shopping to be, you know, just that much easier. And another thing that's cool is I can see how I look, you know, in one entire look, and not just, you know, Gap can say or maybe can say these are the back to school. If you want to be the job, you have to buy these 5 things. Or if you want to, if you're a prep, these are the items that you need to buy. You can assemble a whole look just really quickly. And the other thing is you can see how you look at the actual, in the actual event or place where you're going to be. So for example, later I'll be going to the Emmys, and this is the lovely gown that if I want to try on and see how I look on the red carpet, this is how I can do it. And of course, you don't need a $20,000 gown. You really can try on a number of looks. And when we get this together with our retail partners, we're going to be able to show you really on an almost limitless supply of clothing, accessories.
It only works. It's with the Xbox that it works, or?
No, this is actually connected up to a Windows 7 PC. Okay. I'll be honest. I'm going to be very honest. This is actually running on a Windows embedded device that is very thin, very small. I don't know if I'm allowed to show it, but it's because it's a big story for next week's NRF, which is a big retail show. But this runs on a Windows 7 PC with very light specs. I have an old laptop, a Dell, that's like 4 years old, but this runs beautifully on it.
With the existing Gen 1 Kinect technology, or?
Yeah, well, we're using updated drivers, but actually this one's not built on the very latest drivers, the ones that are going to be, you know, RTM kind of drivers. But as we get those integrated, we're going to have even better functionality. So yeah, this is all available sort of off the shelf. We assembled this from stuff that was off the shelf, and a little bit of secret sauce from Face Cake, which is the company I work for. Let me do something right here if you want. I need version 2 of the double stick cake. But again, I mean, this is